Hello students, today we will discuss another more important topic which is distance formula, section formula and collinearity of points. Okay, so first distance formula. Distance formula. Suppose A is a point whose coordinate is x1, y1 and this is a point, and B is another point whose coordinate is x2, y2. Then the line joining by these 2 points is AB. So AB distance will be under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is called distance between A and B, that is distance AB. Next is section formula. Section formula. Suppose A is a point whose coordinate is x1, y1 and here B is another point x2, y2. The line joining by A and B is AB. Suppose P is a point x comma y. P divides AB in the ratio m is to n. Then what will be the coordinate of this P? If P divides AB in the ratio m is to n, then x coordinate of P will be mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and y coordinate will be m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. So this is called section formula. So one more thing here, if P is a point on x-axis, write one note, if P x comma 0 is a point on x-axis, then here y coordinate will be 0, so we can write then 0 equals to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Suppose here x1 y1 y2 given, then easily we can find out m is to n. And number 2, if P 0 comma y is a point on y-axis, then 0 equals to, that means this x will be 0, that is 0 equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Easily we can find out the ratio m is to n. Next is midpoint. If P x comma y is midpoint of AB, then x equals to x1 plus x2 by 2, and y coordinate will be y1 plus y2 by 2 only. This is midpoint of pxy. Okay, next see the sum. Okay, find the distance between the point a 5, 0 and b is given 0, 5. Then what will be the distance between a and b? So we can write distance AB equals to, first write the formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So I can take, this is x1, this is y1, here this is x2, this is y2. So put the values. So here x2 is 0, x1 is 5, so 0 minus 5 whole square, y2 is 5 and y1 is 0, so 5 minus 0 whole square. Now simplify. Here minus 5 whole square plus here 5 square. Now 5 square is 25, here also 25. So 25 plus 25, I can write 2 times of 25. So 25 square root is 5, so it will be 5 root 2 unit. This is the answer. Next question is, find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from this to this. Okay, let p x, 0 be any point on x-axis. So let a 2, minus 5 and b point is minus 2, 9. So according to the question, we can write AP equals to BP, because from P, A and B are equidistant. Now AP distance find out. So it will be x2 minus x1. So x minus 2 whole square plus, here x2 is what? 0. Minus 1 minus is there, so it will be plus 5 whole square. Similarly BP. So x2 is over here, x only, and here x1 we can consider this is minus 2. So minus 1 is a plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. Now squaring both sides. So square root will cancel. So x minus 2 whole square plus 5 square equals to x plus 2 whole square plus minus 9 whole square. Here we can write squaring both sides. Now simplify. Here a minus b whole square, so x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square, 5 square is 25 equals to, and here x square plus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square, and minus 9 square is plus 81. Now simplify. So in both sides we can cancel out this x square and this x square, this 2 square, this 2 square. So here it is minus 2 to the 4x plus 25 equals to 4x right hand side plus 81. Now take that 4 from right hand side, here it will be minus 4x and it will be 81 minus 25. Now simplify. Minus 4x minus 4x is minus 8x, and here 81 minus 25, so 11 minus 5 is 6, 1 3 5, 56. So x will be 56 by minus 8. This is minus 7. Okay, after cancelling. So the required point on x-axis is, therefore the required point on x-axis is minus 7 comma 0. This is the answer. Next question is the distance p3 comma 5 from x-axis. Now this type of question we will solve graphically. So first I am drawing the coordinate axis. So this is x dash, origin, and x, this is x-axis, this is y, y dash. Okay, this is the origin point, origin. Now 3 comma 5. So first it will move to 3 unit x-axis, 1 2 3, and again y-axis 3 unit or 5 unit, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3, I can take one more, 5 or 4, 1 2 3 4 5. I'm drawing here 6. So 3 comma 5 means first move to x-axis 3 unit, after that move to y-axis 5 unit. So up to this, and again it will be this point. Okay, this point P is 3 comma 5. If we connect dotted line, it will look like this is a 5 point. Now this point from x-axis, so this is the x-axis and this distance is 5 unit. Okay, so answer is 5 only. This is the correct option. Next question is, find the coordinate of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle. Okay, AB is diameter of a circle whose center is given 2 comma minus 3 and B is minus, so B is 1 comma 4. So first draw the figure. So this is circle and AB is diameter, so A, and this is B. Now center C, it is given, center C it is 2 comma minus 3 and B point is given 1 comma 4. Now I am taking A is x comma y, so write let A x comma y. As we know, center is the midpoint of A and B, so we can write therefore C is midpoint of AB. So we can write 2 equals to x plus 1 by 2 and this minus 3 will be y plus 4 by 2. So cross multiply, x plus 1 equals to 4, x is equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3. And here y plus 4 equals to minus 6, 3 to the minus 6. So y is equal to minus 6 minus 4 equals to minus 10. The required point is, therefore the required point A is 3 comma minus 10. This is the answer. Next question is, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the point this and this is divided by minus 1 and 6. Okay, so if I draw the figure, it will be, suppose this point is A, which is given minus 3 comma 10, and B point is given minus 6 comma minus 8. Now I have to find out the ratio, that is m, this is m, this is n. So P is also given, P is minus 1 comma 6. Okay, so right, let P 1 comma 6 divides AB in the ratio m is to n. I am taking this thing. So therefore, using section formula, x I can write m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n, and y coordinate is m y2 plus n y1 by m plus n. Now here x is minus 1 and x2 is, I am taking, this is x2 y2 and this is x1 y1. So put x2, this is 6 plus n x1 is minus 3 by m plus n. I have to find out m is to n. Now cross multiply. So 6 into m is, first simplify, so this is 6m minus 3n by m plus n. Now cross multiply. So 6m minus 3n equals to minus 1 into m plus n. So minus m minus n. So take out this m left hand side. So m plus 6m plus m equals to this minus n, and that minus 3n on right hand side, it will be plus 3n. Okay, now simplify. 6m plus m is 7m equals to, this is 2m minus n plus 3n is equal to 2m. So write m by n, it is 2 by 7. So we can write m is to n equals to 2 is to 7. This is the answer. So our option will be option number B. This is 2 is to 7. This is the correct option. So answer is option number B.